my team, come follow me, are done. You need to inspire creativity and leadership in others. I respect the uniqueness of individuals at a level that just completely changes the way I engage with people. In your DNA, your genetic code, there will never, ever, ever be another person like you. You're beautifully unique. Sorry, dude. You're beautifully too. You're good. We good? To drive innovation, you can't be some crazy creative brain that can never get anything done, and you can't be some rigid, productive person that can't think out the box. If that's what you're going to contribute to the knowledge economy, your job's outsourced.